Are you a teacher in North Carolina who needs to pass the Foundations of Reading 190 test? Or are you studying to be a teacher and who also needs to take this test? Well, I am so excited because I will be in North Carolina on Saturday, October 26th at Wake Forest for a 1 day workshop that is open to the public. I have been working with test takers for honestly way too long across the country, helping test takers develop the confidence, skills, strategy to pass this rigorous test. And I'm excited to kind of launch that work for you. Everybody who participates in the 1 day workshop will also get access for 9 months to my online self paced course with 12 video modules, self assessment quizzes, and this awesome study guide that you use along with the videos so that you can leave our workshop ready to target your studies and pass. So if you're interested, please use the coupon code below, sign up using the link, and do it soon because space is limited. I hope to see you soon.